Yeah, this is good. These are good conditions, man. It was when I flew the F-16. It's just kind of switched a little bit.
Take off flaps.
It's waving. Wah.
Timer cleared.
Guess I'm feeling brave. Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Go, you're in front.
Oh, dang. Hot rod takeoff. Good Lord.
Gear down, gear up.
What are you fucking with now?
My nose gear was hanging. Doing a dingleberry dance. At least I know with this one it's going to go up when I do that. You got a gyro in yours, so it's going to be all buttery smooth.
Coming down.
Go ahead. I didn't pick up enough momentum.
Yeah, mine also felt like it stalled a little bit.
And we were going downwind, which isn't good. Oh, where are you? There you are. That was pretty nuts, though. I didn't hear a strike, but I saw the strike. You went straight up. Cannot stop, will not smack!
Time remaining 1 minute.
There are some pretty interesting wind patterns going on here.
Yeah. Nice.
Woohoo! No pizza pan, baby.
I'm gonna do one of those too. Wow.
It's the FMS. And there's a little gap in the front, so it makes like an intake noise. On a dime. I love it. It doesn't look like it would.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
This is one of my most favorite planes to fly. This thing is... It just doesn't look like it should be able to fly as good as it does.
Gear down. Landing flap.
What I like is once you drop the flaps on this thing, it just stops.
Yeah, it breathes. Like I was coming in kind of hot and a full flap, but it just like slowed down.
Yeah. See, I got the wiggle going. You don't.
Nope.
Because of your...
Zero wiggle.
Because of your...
1 minute over.
Nice. Oh, you
Flaps
got your
up.
gear doors even.
Yeah, I put them back.
Oh.
Because we don't fly off grass anymore.
That's true. I think I broke.
And they were on sale for like $3. I think it was. Damn, that was a big gun. You hear that? Boom! Whee!
Is this the same servo as the other one?
What? No, these are different brand. These are Tower Pro.
Both sides of the elevator. Same or one is
Same brand. But the way that they're configured, you couldn't get them to reverse. Even if you put one forward and one facing the other way, I had to do it completely. Now I've got a tumor. It works.
It works. That's all that matters.
And they go up even, see?